Good morning, everyone. Allow me to extend my thanks to ASTI for the very efficient and kind organization of this cooperation event on behalf of the SEACOOP group. So a lot has been already presented about SEACOOP, but I would like in 5 or 10 minutes to give you a more precise view of what is SEACOOP, what SEACOOP is doing, what SEACOOP can do for European and Southeast Asian organizations interested in cooperation between the two regions. First of all, yes, this is an overview of the stakeholders of the SEACOOP initiative. Stakeholders, I mean all organizations involved in SEACOOP. And first of all, we have the European Commission and the ASEAN Secretariat. The European Commission is funding the project through its FP7 program that Christopher Ax has briefly presented. All what SEACOOP is doing is develop under the aegis of the European Commission and of the ASEAN Secretariat since 2008. I can remember the ASEAN Secretariat has officially endorsed this initiative as one of the key initiatives to strengthen SNT cooperation between the two regions. Then we have the formal partnership, the partners of the SEACOOP project, and we have the European representative, my company, Sigma Orionis, but we have in each ASEAN country an agency, an organization in charge of ICT policy and research, again in each of the 10 ASEAN countries, and all these partners are today in the room. So we have ASTI for the Philippines, BPPT in Indonesia, A-STAR, I2R in Singapore, MDEC in Malaysia, NIST in Laos, NCSTP in Vietnam, NIDA in Cambodia, NSTDA in Thailand, UBD, University of Brunei Darussalam in Brunei, and University of Computer Sciences in Yangon, Myanmar. So these are the formal partners of the SEACOOP project, effectively working together, trying to develop the activities that I will present later on. And we have a last group, not the least one, of stakeholders who are the supporting organizations, especially from Europe, organizations supporting this initiative. And we have, for instance, these European technology platforms, including NEM, which is one of them, but we have also NESI, IC Mobility, for instance, and some major companies or research institutes, and some of them are in the room also today. These organizations are members of the advisory committee of the initiative, and we have the opportunity to liaise with them quite often and to share with them the results and the planned activities of the project. Now, coming to the activities, the major one, the main one, is the identification of ICT policy and research priorities between the two regions. This is our main deliverable over the 2 years of the program, and this mapping of priorities is in progress, and we plan to issue a first release of this analysis, the conclusions of the analysis next month. And we, as Christopher has said, it's quite essential that we are ready to present these priorities and to discuss them in Brussels in September on the occasion of the ICT event, which is the largest ICT events held in Europe every every 2 years. So this will be released next month. We will first share these conclusions with the advisory committee, and then after having integrated their remarks and suggestions, we will publicly release the documents by the end of July.